Hey y'all, we're cooking away the blues. My name is Jules Burke, and today we're making Cajun cornbread stuffing. And I just happen to have 5 cups of leftover cornbread here, and we're gonna make that into the cornerstone of our Thanksgiving dinner. Forget about the turkey, you don't even need it. Actually, I'm a much better chopper than I'm demonstrating here. I just don't want any of you home cooks to be intimidated by my fine knife skill. I got 1 cup of finely or medium chopped onion. I'm going to put in a skillet. I got probably less than a 1/4 cup of oil. We're just going to caramelize these onions. We're going to let them cook until all the sweetness develops and they're nice and brown. 1 cup of diced bell pepper, and you can use whatever color bell pepper you want. You can use a poblano or a jalapeno if that's the way you roll. All right, now about a 1/2 cup of diced celery. I got about a tablespoon of garlic that I diced up with some kosher salt. All right, I got about a little less than a teaspoon of rosemary. About a teaspoon of thyme. I've got 3 bay leaves and about maybe a teaspoon of sage. And now for my secret ingredient, I've got my homemade Cajun spice. If you want to know what goes in that, send me in a request and I'll send it to you. You can use Paul Prudhomme's Magic, you can use Tony Chachere's, you can use any kind of Cajun spice you want. And now add a 1/2 stick of butter. All right, I got 1 cup of homemade chicken broth. Yeah, right. If this was Thanksgiving, I'd use some turkey stock, and then I would throw in my giblets. Because, you know, some people complain about putting giblets in gravy, so I like to sneak them into the dressing. But since I don't have that, I'm going to add a little bit of this cooked bacon that I had for breakfast. All right, now this stuff's looking good here. Look at that, that is nice and hot. The vegetables are softening up. Now we're going to add that to our 5 cups of cornbread that we just happen to have over here. All right, so we got our cornbread, our vegetables, our spices, and we're going to mix all that up. Break the cornbread up into some smaller pieces, but if you have some big chunks, it does not matter. We don't stress, especially over the holidays. All right, I got 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. And I got 3 lightly beaten eggs. And we're gonna mix that until it all comes together. We've got a 9 by 13 inch greased casserole dish, and we're just going to pour that mixture into there. Kind of mash it down a little bit. All right, so the oven's preheated at 350, and it's going to take about 40 minutes to get this cooking, so sit back and relax. Turn on your favorite John Prine album. This will be ready in 40 minutes. All right. Oh, yeah, that's looking good. That's looking good. We could probably even use less butter. But who wants to do that? That's looking good. We're gonna throw some parsley and onions on top. And here's some cranberry sauce. Look for my video on that. All Alright, let's see if it passed the test. Get some of that cranberry sauce on there. Too bad the turkey and gravy's not done yet. We did it again. We cooked our blues away. Bah. Thanks y'all for tuning in to Cooking Away the Blues, where we successfully made a without harming ourselves or others by cooking some delicious Cajun cornbread stuffing. I'm going to take you all the way through the holidays doing roasted turkey, sweet potatoes, apple pie. You stay tuned. Please like, share, and follow. Read my blog, JulesBurkeWrites.com, and your irreverent look at living with depression, and ain't that fun. Thanks y'all. Peace and love. Elvis, sit. What a good boy. Oh yeah. Elvis said he cooked away the blues.
You gotta keep on. You gotta keep on cooking. You gotta keep on. You got to 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 keep on. Keep on cooking.